If you are unable to access your Lyft account due to missing verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Lyft Help Center. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Select account issues. Once in the Help Center, choose the option related to account issues. This may include topics like I can't access my account or account recovery. Step 3. Provide account information. Fill out the required fields with your account information. This typically includes your email address, phone number, and any other relevant details that can help identify your account. Step 4. Request support. After submitting your account information, look for an option to request support or assistance. You may need to explain your situation in detail, mentioning that you cannot receive verification codes. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, wait for a response from Lyft's support team. They may reach out via email or phone to verify your identity and assist you in regaining access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover access to your Lyft account even without verification codes. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft's customer service directly for further assistance.